Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up ActiveCampaign action automation for workflows in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, navigate to Marketplace, be at the sub account view, search for the app ActiveCampaign and click on it. Click on Install and then click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been successfully installed and you head to the custom page itself, click on the custom page to access to the app interface. At the level of the interface, you're going to have the documentation link. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guide on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app setup. We are going to walk you through how to connect the app. We have already created our account online. Head to the app, go to your settings, click on the developer, copy the URL, head back to your account, click on Start Setup, you paste the head back, copy the API key, and you paste it here. Then you click on Complete Setup. There you go. Your app has been successfully connected and set up. You will be able to create a ticket for our support team and book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of this change log, is going to enable you to see the various updates and changes made concerning the app. To receive notifications, toggle on the notification button, insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've now learned how to install and set up your app. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember, our support team is available 24/7 to help if you need extra guidance. Thanks so much for watching.